You have your C-clip or horseshoe clip, whatever you want to call it. You're going to want to take this off the pipe. It just sits like this. We're going to transfer it to the new one. And then we have this nice big orange gasket on the inside. We're also going to transfer it to the new pipe as well. So very carefully pick this out. So you can see, just like that. And we're going to transfer it to the new one, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so you can see that the gasket is transferred. I just fit it into the same slot, make sure it sits in fully. There's always a little bit of oil in there, so it actually makes it easier to get in. Your clip will only go in really in one orientation, like that, when it's fully secure. You can't put it on like that, it won't fit, right? You'll have to set the arms back just a little bit when you put this into place, like that. But we'll walk through that in just a second to get this clip into place. You can also see there's an indentation on one side of the inlet that goes around around your intake pipe that's down below. So there's really only one way it goes in. So I would plug in this evaporation hose, slide this into place, work your clip on and work it into place just like that. Make sure it's nice and secure. Once it's in place, and I'll show you what this looks like, just get your hand on the inside and you can just move it around to make sure that this clip is actually on and it's not loose. All right, so let's get this new inlet pipe on. All right, so you can see that the inlet is on, and being able to get your hand down here to move it around is really nice. Make sure you get your evaporation line on right there, and it goes on with a full click. When it's all in place, it should make a really healthy click when it goes in. So make sure that that is solid. And then on your C-clamp or horseshoe clamp down at the bottom, now you can tell that it's clipped into place because the pipe, while it will rotate, won't come off. But make sure that both arms are in the track as well, so it's on and nice and secure. Okay, so now let's get the rest of the pieces into place.